What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, I have a case for the S23 Ultra. This is the dummy, and this case was sent out to me from Tongate. So I'm just gonna, if I'm saying that right, I'm going to unbox this and we're gonna throw it on the dummy, S23 Ultra dummy, so you can see what it looked like if you would like to pick this case up for yourself. So pretty much this is your information, how to install the product for yourself, and then it says Tongate, so a little thank you card or dear customer card. I don't know how well you can see that, but this is what you get. You also get the case, the product. So it is right here. So this is like an outer box, heavy duty kind of protective case. You get the belt clip, but there's no need for me to rock the belt clip because I don't do belt clips. So let's just peel everything off and let's get it on the dummy unit so I can show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It has a little door in the back to cover up your camera and cut out, so when you're not using the camera it won't get nasty and dirty, and I actually like that. But this is what it looks like so far. You get all your cutouts here at the bottom, as you can see. So now we're just going to place the dummy unit in here like so. So let me pop it on and give you a walk around the case so you can see what it looked like if you wanted to purchase this case for yourself. And I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this up yourself. So you just want to make sure everything is in the grooves so you know it's on there right. Okay, everything is in the groove. So pretty much this is what it looks like on your device. Like I said, this is like a outer box style case, so you do get nice protection at the top for your lip, or around the lip. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. You'll have nothing to worry about. On this side, these are your power. This is your power button, but I can't really demonstrate that because this is a dummy unit. But this is your power button, your volume up and down button right here. At the top here, you do get a cutout for that speaker. I don't know how well you can see it, but you get a cutout for the speaker. At the bottom here, you do get all your cutouts for your USB charging port, your microphone. You get a nice deep cutout for that S Pen. And on the back here, you do get that kickstand design, so you can place your phone like this to watch movies. If I can get it to go, you can place your phone like at this angle to watch movies, or you can place it like this to watch movies. And on the back you have a nice little design, grippy feel on the back here. I like how it feels. And like I said, you do get that door on the back, so you can cover up your camera and you don't have to worry about dust and grime getting into your camera. But overall, this is a nice looking and feeling device. And if you want to take this off, there are little grooves here that you dig your hand into to take this off. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.